Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Today we learn here topic measurement. Measurement means your length, weight, okay, and capacity. This one all together come into measurement topic. First one we learn here long and short. See, we draw some picture. See this one picture. Which is the long and which is the short object? First one is a long. Yes, second one is a long. Yes, second one is a long. First one is a short. How do you recognize this is a long and this is a short? See in the picture, this one so many and this one only few. This one so many and only few circle are here. So second one is a long and first one is a short. Second one is a long, first one is a short. See in this picture, pen and pencil is there. Pencil is a short, pen is a long. Pencil is a short, pen is a long. Understand? Okay. Next one is there. Tall and short. Tall and short. See in this picture, one is a tree. One tree is here and one grass is here. One tree is here and one grass is here. Which is the tall and which is the short? Tree is a long. Tree is a long. And grass is a short. Grass is a short. In your home, your father is a taller, you are a shorter. Your mother is a taller, your sister is a shorter. Understand? All of you understand now? In your home, your older sister is a longer, taller. Tree is a long, yeah, tall. Okay. Your older sister is a taller and you are a shorter. You have younger sister and brother. That time you are a taller and your younger brother or sister is a shorter. Understand? Now see in this picture, pen and pencil. Pen is a taller than the pencil. Pencil is a shorter than the pen. See, pen is a long and pencil is a short. Pencil is a short. Now, first one, thick and thin. Thick and thin. See, here two stream is here. This is a thick and this is a thin. First one is a thick stream and second one is a thin stream. Thick and thin means what? Which object is a so fat in your word, so fat, you call thick, and which object is a very not a fat, he is a slim, that time you call that one thin. In bread box is a thick and one slice is a only thin. Okay. In the cake is a thick and one piece is there. When you cut that and take one piece, that is a thin. Understand? All of you understand now? Now, next one, heavy and light. Heavy and light. How to recognize which one is a heavy, which one is a light? Compare with wet object. Wet object. Wet object means when you go to the shop, they do with a wet machine. That time you recognize which object is a heavy and which object is a light. Okay. See, this is your measurement. Machine. In this one have sugar and this side I have biscuit. 5 rupees 1 biscuit. Here is a 1 kg sugar. Which is the heavier and which is the lighter? Which go to the down side, that one is a heavy, and which went to the upper side, that one is a lighter. So sugar is a heavy and biscuit is a lighter. But when you eat, both are heavy. But here see, in the wet machine, sugar is a heavier and biscuit is a lighter. Okay. Next one. Open your textbook. Sorry, capacity is there na? In their capacity. In the measurement topic, last one is there, capacity. In the capacity, which is the least and which is the most? You recognize there, which is the least and which is the most. This is your pot. Which is the least and which is the most? When you keep in two pot a sugar, that time So least sugar in that one and most sugar in this one. Okay, when you packed the sugar, most of sugar here and least of sugar is here. Understand? In the spoon, when you drink the milk with a spoon, which have most and which have least? This one small have least and big have most milk in there. Okay. Now see, open your textbook, page number 78. Capacity. See here, one have a rickshaw, car and bus. Rickshaw have only 3 member seat, car have 5 member seat, and here is 50 to 55 members also sit here. So rickshaw is a least, car is a in between, and bus have highest capacity. Okay, see here bottle, one small, between, big. Small have, you want milk, only few. Here medium and here so many. Okay. Same as this one, bowl, small, medium, big. Means his capacity is so this one capacity is least, in between and highest capacity. Understand? Next one, heavy and light. See here pencil and calculator given you on the wet machine. Calculator is a heavy and pencil is a lighter. So pencil is a upper side, calculator is a downside. Pencil is a upper side, calculator is a downside. Okay. Next one, chili and apple. Only 2 chili is very light and apple is a, compare of chili, heavier. So apple is a downside, chili is a upper side. Same as it is brinjal and tomato. Same as it is small cake and big one cake. Small cake and big one cake. Now thick and thin. I also say you know bread example see. Bread box heavier and bread box is a thick and only one slice here thin. Jug and milk bottle. Jug is a thick and milk bottle is a thin. Tree and plant. Tree is a thick, plant is a thin. Cake also. Cake and this one roti. Cake is a thick, roti is a thin. Understand? Now, tall and short. I say you, your father is tall, son is a short. See here, 2 trees. One tree is a taller than this one tree. This one is a shorter than the first one tree. Giraffe and deer. Giraffe is a very tall and deer is a short. In this figure, camel, fox, zebra. Camel, fox, zebra. Which is the taller? Camel. Which is the shorter? Fox. Understand? Now, length, long and short. Here given you picture, badminton. First one badminton is a short, second badminton is a long. See here, arrows are here. Which is the longer? This one. Then second one longer, this. Third one longer, this. And first one shorter. Short, shorter, shorter, shorter. Understand? Here is straw given. Green straw and red straw. Green straw is a very long and red straw is a short. Understand measurement topic? There are some formulas for the next year. I also write here. Okay, you by headed that one. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. This one formula also you by headed. Today's homework, you by headed there 2 to 10 tables. 2 to 10 tables. Okay. And this one also you by headed and write the table in your notebook also 2 to 20 to 10. Okay. Thank you.